Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you use Klarna to pay for a hotel on booking.com. So let's get into the video. So when you open up booking.com and if you're going to search for a place or a hotel, so once you get to the search page and you want to use Klarna to actually make a booking and you want to pay with Klarna. So what are you going to do? Like you're going to firstly check with the hotel that if the hotel accepts Klarna payment method, because it all depends on the hotel whether they accept the Klarna payment or not. So for example, if I'm just choosing this hotel here, so if I'm going to choose here and then select the dates and all those informations, and then here when I get to these details here, so fill in all my details and then personal details and all those things. And then when I get to this page here, with this section here, where how do you pay, so this is where you go to check whether the hotel accepts Klarna payment. So if you hit on this pay now option, so when you hit on this pay now option, so you will see a wide range of options depending on the hotel and location. Okay, so if your location and the hotel allows Klarna, then you will see Klarna option here. So for example here, so here you have a couple of options here, but I can see that there is no Klarna options here. So if you have Klarna option, then you will see a Klarna option here, and you can just simply select that and then proceed with the booking. So that's one way. Or else, as an alternate, what you can do, you can add your Klarna card to your GPay, which is your Google Pay. And then suppose if that hotel accepts Google Pay, for example, this hotel accepts GPay, so I can just select GPay and then proceed with the booking. So through GPay, I can use Klarna to complete this booking. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.